In this video, I'm going to show you the correct way of connecting your domains to your Go High Level funnels and website in the shortest time possible. I'm going to show you the automatic as well as the manual way of connecting your domains to your Go High Level funnels and website so that you don't have to watch any other tutorial. My name is Pritam. I run a Go High Level funnel and website design agency. I build marketing funnels and sites for a living for my clients across 12 countries. To know more about me, go to PritamBhadra.com. The link will be in the description. And in case you haven't joined Go High Level yet, make sure to join through my affiliate link and visit bonus.PritamBhadra.com because anybody who joins via my link gets my exclusive snapshot, funnels, websites, landing pages, everything included in it. All right, so let's go ahead and let's understand how to connect your Go High Level domain to your Go High Level domain to your any of your funnels and website in your sub account. First of all, please understand that Gohighlevel funnels and website can only be connected when you are inside a sub account. For example, here I am within a sub account, right? I already have a site that I need to connect with my domain to. In this case, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to settings inside the Go High Level sub account. Okay, so you need to have access to your Go High Level sub account, and the second thing that you need to have access to is your domain provider. So in this case, I'm connected with Cloudflare, and this is my domain, ghltemplateshop.com. All right, so I'm going to go to the settings section of my Go High Level section, right? And then I'm going to look for domains and URL redirects. As you can see, here's what we have: domains and URL redirects. I'm going to click on domains and URL redirects. All right, as you can see, there is no domain in this particular sub account, but I'm going to connect my particular domain here. So what I'm going to do is you can also purchase or transfer domain to Gohighlevel itself, which is a new feature. You can try it out. I already have my purchase, so I'm going to go to connect with my current available domain. So I'm going to click on connect a domain here. All right, I'm going to have it to my funnels, my website, my store, blog, webinar. So I'm going to click on here, right? And I'm going to add this particular domain name. So I'm going to just copy the domain here, and then I'm going to add it here. To understand one thing, that ghltemplateshop.com is the domain. However, if you add anything before that, for example, www dot, right, or for example, reply dot, right, anything you add in front of your main domain makes it a subdomain. All right. So I'm not going to add anything because this is a domain tutorial. So I'm going to click on ghltemplateshop.com. I'm going to click on continue. It also, as you can see, it also directly asks that also add www.ghltemplateshop.com and redirect traffic to ghltemplateshop.com, which is recommended because this is the correct way of adding any kind of funnel. Now, whenever you're searching on the internet, people are not just going to search a domain, they're also going to search www. So this is an automatically subdomain, and Go High Level understands that and connects it directly to your domain the moment you're trying to add it. So here we're going to do it in an automatic way. Then I'm going to delete it, and then I'm going to show it to you how to do it in a manual way. Let me click on continue here. As you can see, this is automatically connecting and setting up all my domains. So this is amazing because all the DNS records, which is basically the records which needed to be connected to your domain provider via Go High Level, is being done automatically. As you can see, that Go High Level had understood that this is my domain provider, which is Cloudflare. And I can see which records are going to be added, but I'm going to show you it anyway. I'm going to click on authorize domain, and then it's going to open up a new window altogether, and Cloudflare is going to get loaded, and then I need to give some kind of permissions, and all of that's going to happen. As you can see, it is asking me for permission in order to add both of these DNS settings. There are two DNS settings that we need to add. First is the type A, where we are adding the main root domain ghltemplateshop.com with this particular ID. The second one is the C name, where we add www, and this is the content that we need to add it to. I'm going to click on authorize so that I don't have to do anything manually, and this gets done automatically. Let me quickly show it to you as to how does that happen. It's authorizing. It's probably going to take me 30 seconds of my time in order to do that. Now, Cloudflare, Hostinger, GoDaddy, these are some of the popular and world-renowned domain providers, I'll recommend taking it buying your domain providers from these ones, because there are probably thousands of other domain providers which might also be complicated, having local servers, and might not work really well with Gohighlevel. So just in case you are what you have an online business and you do not want to face any kind of difficulty, just use the Gohighlevel's recommended list, which I believe is going to be Cloudflare, which is my number one priority. And after that, you can also use Hostinger, GoDaddy, and all these ones. All right. So let's wait for some time so that this gets added. As you can see, it says DNA updates could require 30 seconds. If changes aren't acknowledged, please retry. Okay. So it's authorizing, it's connecting, it's doing everything it can in order for it to work. And we are seeing the process and it looks good. Awesome. As you can see, congratulations. You can now connect ghltemplateshop.com with any kind of product. So you can connect and I can have it connected to my funnel. All right. But I'm going to do something else. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go back and then I'm going to delete it, because I am going to show you how to do it in the manual process as well. So let me delete everything here. Let me delete everything here as well. This is the redirect that got set up because of the www. So I'm going to delete that as well. And by the way, this was not there, I think, a few months or last year, but this got added recently, or I think last year itself, within a year. And this is amazing. I really like what they're doing with it. But let me go back to domains and let me try connecting all my domain providers and everything. All right, let's delete it. But in the meantime, what you'll be able to see that if you go to the DNS section, you will be able to see that these, DNS records have always been added because of that automated method. I'm going to delete these two records. I'm going to click on delete just so that I can show you the manual way of doing it. All right, they are deleted successfully. No records found. Everything looks perfect. Let's go to your Gohighlevel account. Okay, I'm again going to add the Gohighlevel, my domain provider. So this is going to be, let me quickly check, ghltemplateshop.com. Let me go ahead and add it. Let me click on continue. Okay, now I'm not going to proceed forward to do it because many of you might not have Cloudflare, Hostinger, GoDaddy. In that case, I'm going to do it manually. You see that option, add record manually? I'm going to click on add record manually. And now it gives me all the records I need in order to connect to my name domain provider. So first is an A record, host is at, and required value is 162.159.140. The second one is a CNAME record with a host of www, which is what you're going to use for a subdomain. And then this is the required value, which is sites.ludicrous.com. Let's go. You also have a demo video, but since you are watching my video, you don't need anything else. So let's go ahead and let's connect everything here. First things first, we're going to go to your domain provider's DNS records. Once you go to the DNS records, come here and then click on add a record. Now, as you can see, there are three things, basically four things here: type, name, IPv4 address, and then record attributes. All right. So I'm going to click on A. So it's at the rate. I'm going to click on that. I'm going to click on at the rate. This is the name required, and this is the required value. I'm just going to click on required value. I don't need the proxy. I can add this as a comment. For example, this could be the root domain record. Just for example, I'll just add it here. Let me save it. As you can see, it has an A type, it has the content, all of that added. Now let's go back. Let's add www. I want to click on add another record. I'm going to, from A to, I'm going to make it CNAME. I'm going to add the record here, www. Target required. Target is going to be this one. Add it here. Turn off the proxy, not needed. Click on save. All right. So as you can see, we have our CNAME, A name both added. I'm going to go back to the Gohighlevel account and I'm going to click on verify records because now I've added it already. So I'm going to click on here, and again, it's going to take me some time in order for it to update and confirm that whether the records were added correctly or not. Okay. Let's make sure that we have everything here. Name is fine, type is good, content is good. I think we're all set. Let's wait for some time in order for it to verify. Might take a few minutes even depending on your domain provider, but it should be good. I mean, Gohighlevel along with Cloudflare is the best combinations available out there. So it worked. As you see, congratulations, you can now connect ghltemperature.com with a product. Definitely, I'm going to connect it to my particular landing page here. This is a wait list page, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to click on proceed to finish. All right, let me quickly see how does that work. This is going to connect it to my particular funnel, and the moment it gets connected, as you can see, awesome. So I'm going to go ahead and test both of these with www, and then it's going to should show up my particular landing page. Wow, awesome. I'm going to also test it with the root domain itself, which is ghltemplateshop.com. Awesome, it's working fine. So this is a surprise as well. So we are relaunching GHL Template Shop, and I am now working on it to create templates, snapshots, everything that my audience would love to purchase from my site, because a lot of you have been coming to me to get custom design projects and might not want invest a lot of money to it, but you definitely have a few $100s in order to get the best templates and the best snapshots available in the niche that I'll be working on. So if that's the case, go to ghltemplateshop.com. The link will be in the description. You can join as a wait list, and definitely make sure that you guys get the early access and the emails and notifications. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching this particular video. It means a lot. I hope that you learned everything step by step. And I hope that you join the wait list for everybody who's looking forward to buy my templates and snapshots. All right, thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video.